Hello students, how are you? Now, how to solve the pair of linear equation in two variables by cross multiplication method. So my dear students, you have learned how to solve pair of linear equation in two variables by substitution method and second by elimination method. Now today we are learning third method, how to solve pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method. So it is clear from the it is cross. So crossing multiply will be there. Where crossing multiply? Now with the help of this question I am taking, you see. So you see, first of all, you see the coefficients of x and y. You know very well when you compare with standard form, what is a1, a2? a1 is 2, a2, a1, a2, these are the coefficient of x, and b1, b2, these are the coefficient of y. If not there, then 1 is there, so it is 1. So b2 is equal to 2. Now these are c1, c2. c1 is 5 and c2 is 8. Clear this? So first you see what are a1, a2, what are b1, b2, what are c1, c2. Now cross multiplication method. What is this? So first you have to start from b1, b2, then c1, c2, then a1, a2, then b1, b2. You start this. Write the coefficient from b1, b2 first, because it is the method. You learn this. Start from b1, b2 and end also b1, b1, b2, b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, b1, b2. Or you can learn from b, starting also b and also b. Or in simple, in tidbit, you can say bakab, b, c, a, b. Bakab you learn, so that you will not forget. b1, b2. So now, what is b1, b2? Here, 1, 2. c1, c2, 5, 8. And a1, a2, 2, 3. And what is your b1, b2 again? That is 1, 2. First you write the coefficient in this way. Now, first two column and upside to right it is x. And next two column upside to right y. And third column upside to right minus 1. So minus 1, my dear students, is the formula. So what is the logic behind it? Minus 1. If you see in your book, in examples or in extra books, somewhere they are taking plus 1 also. In extra book also, in NCERT also, they are taking somewhere plus 1. Why they are taking plus 1? So this concept also you learn. If C1, C2 are on right hand side, then you will take minus 1. If C1, C2 they are in left hand side and right hand side is 0 and they are taking left hand side position, then you will take plus 1. For example, if it is 2x plus 1y minus 5 is equal to 0, then it means right hand side 0, it is C1 here. Then in this way, if you take C1, C2, then you will take plus 1 here for this cross multiplication method. So I think clear. If both C1, C2 are right hand side, then minus 1. Both C1, C2 are left hand side, then you will take minus 1. So here left this side minus plus 1 and that right hand side minus 1 will take. So x, y minus 1. So should start, you see here. So x upon, you see, if I am writing here, you see x upon is equal to y upon is equal to minus 1 upon x upon. So first we cross multiply this. 1 into 8, 8 minus is the formula, minus 2 5s are 10. This is the cross multiplication, by which this method, its name is given by cross multiplication method. Now same for y, 5 3s from top to bottom. First to multiply this 5 into 3 15 minus formula, and then 8 2 16. This side also 2 2 4 minus 3 1 3. So x upon minus 2, y upon minus 1, minus 1 upon 1. Clear this? So now these are the three terms which are equal to each other. So what will take? These are three terms. Then first you will take from first and third, and here I will take from second and third, because if I will take first and third, then only x is there, value of x will come. If I will take second and third, cross multiply, value of y will come. Clear this? So x by minus 2 is equal to y by minus 1 from first and third, minus 1 by 1. So cross multiply, x is equal to 2 1 2 is there. So here from second and third, y upon minus 1, minus 1 upon 1, cross multiply, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is the solution of the pair of linear equation in a two variable. So my dear students, if you solve by substitution method or by elimination method, same answer you will find out. Clear this? So this I explained how to solve the pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method. So you have to only learn Baka, means you have to write the coefficient b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2, then b1 b2. First column upside x, second column upside y, third column upside minus 1. And I have told minus 1. Why minus 1? If c1 c2 are right hand side, then take minus 1. If c1 c2 are left hand side, then you take plus 1. Other method, other procedure is same. Understand? So now one more question, just in exam any question they can give. If I am giving any question, just like simple, we solve this, or you can say this third question also. Now do practice with me. Solve this. Here 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. Another is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. This is first equation, this is second equation. It is given, solve the following pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method and by substitution method. So this is the exercise 3.5. Third question we are doing. So 8x plus 5y is equal to 9, 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Now start. First I have told you learn Baka, b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2, again b1 b2. b1 b2, it is the coefficient of x. So 8 3. c1 c2, coefficient of y. No, b1 b2 are the coefficient of y. So write 5 2. c1 c2 constant term, and a1 a2 is the coefficient of x, 8 3. b1 b2 coefficient of y. So first column is x, second column y, third column you write minus 1. So x, y, minus 1. So what do you say? X upon y upon This is minus 1 upon. So what's next step? Very simple. X upon, it means you multiply this 5 4 and then this is dotted. It means dotted later on. First multiply this top to bottom, then bottom to top in this way. So 5 4 this is the method. Formula they are given 5 4 20, 2 9 18, 9 3 27, 4 8 32, 8 2 16, and then minus 15, and here 4 8 minus 32. Clear? Now simplify this. X upon 2, y upon minus 5, minus 1 upon 1. Clear this? So now next step, what will do? Next step you will do, these three terms are equal, then you take from first and third, and then from second and third. Because I will take second and third, then cross multiply, only y will come. If I will take first and third, cross multiply, only x will come. If I will take first and second, no value will come. It's a mix of x and y. So x by 2, y by minus 5, cross multiply, it is, you will take third. It is minus 1 by 1. So cross multiply, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Same here from second and third, y by minus 5, minus 1 by 5, cross multiply, y is equal to 5. So this is the answer. But in exam, in board exam, if you are doing like this, so my dear students, you are getting the answer. And in board exam, because statements are different, they will not give from same statement from NCERT. So you can check your answer also. X minus 2y 5. You can put in any one of the equation. So it is 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. So x value minus 2. X is minus 2. Y value 5. So put here. So 8 into minus 2, minus 16. 5 5 is 25. So 25 minus 16 plus 9. And you see, this is left hand side, this is right hand side, you have got right hand side. Because what are the answer you have got, you can put the value of x and y in any one of the equation, so that you can check yourself your answer is correct or not. So that you must be satisfied whatever the solution I have done, that is correct. There will be no any doubt should be there when you are sitting in the exam. So my dear students, and question number 4, words problems are there, fraction types are there, fixed charges are there. In question number 4, what is saying, you have to solve the linear equation and find their solution by any algebraic method. So what I explained last time, how to make the equation from the words problem, from the statements. So first you make the equation, 2 equations you will make from the words problem, and then solve, is saying solve by any algebraic method. Means after 2 equation getting, you can solve by any method. Any method means by substitution method, and second by elimination method, and third you can solve by cross multiplication method. It is up to you which method you feel comfortable. You can do it. It is up to you. But it was told whenever the 2 equations will come in words problem, you will solve by elimination method. It will be easy and it saves the time. So my dear students, today you revise 3.5 complete. There will be no problem. Clear this. Thank you. Have a good day.